I'm glad that we have found a way forward now that is important, and that the conditionality mechanism has remained unchanged. This is for me crucial, and I hope now that we can get the package of 1.8 trillion moving forward, because European citizens and European companies need it.
I have three key questions. I want to know what the European Parliament thinks of it. I hope we can hear this morning from the President of the European Parliament what is the first reactions from their side. Secondly, I want to make absolutely sure that this compromise is in no way limiting the legal working and also the scope of the regulation, which is at the core of the outcome of the trilogue between Parliament, Commission and German Presidency. And thirdly, I want to hear from the President of the European Commission whether she will make sure that retroactively breaches can be signaled, starting of course on the 1st of January coming up, if a country would go to the court in Luxembourg to challenge this instrument in terms of its legality in relationship with the European treaties.
We are convinced that the German presidency has carried out a very important piece of work, and naturally we are hoping that this will garner consensus this evening, or today or tomorrow, so that the Council can then launch the mechanism and the Parliament can vote on these provisions next week.
Today we are fighting for the unity of our common continent. And even what is more important, not just the victory of the European Union, but we are fighting for the victory of the common sense. Because it's obvious that when our nations and so many millions of people are in real need because of pandemic and because of the economic consequences of that, we have to behave reasonably and to find a way for reliable approaches and a victory for common sense to provide pandemic health services to the people who are in need and to provide financial assistance for those countries who are really in need to help their people.